It would also be an aggravating circumstance, or could be, if the state decides that this is a capital death penalty case.
In a News 2 exclusive, our cameras were the only ones rolling when prosecutors told a Rutherford County judge a man accused of killing his wife last February may face the death penalty. Good evening, everyone. I'm Bob Mueller.
And I'm Ann Holt. Police found Jacob Perlman's wife, Carla, dead inside their Murfreesboro home on Valentine's Day.
Perlman is also charged with aggravated abuse, child abuse, in connection with his wife's young son. Police say he later confessed to killing his wife during an argument over her son. Today in court, prosecutors told a judge they want to try Perlman for the child abuse first, because if he is convicted, they may use the case to put him on death row for killing his wife. In a Nashville's News 2 exclusive, Joseph Pleasant takes us inside the courtroom.
Jacob Perlman seemed relaxed before his hearing began Friday. He even cracked a smile and laughed with his lawyer. Perlman was in court for a plea hearing on an aggravated child abuse arrest in connection with his stepson and a speedy trial hearing for a murder charge in connection with his wife Carla's death.
We don't want there to be an issue of the case lingering.
In February of this year, Perlman had a life from the outside that seemed close to perfect. He was a personal trainer in Murfreesboro, a newlywed to his wife Carla, and a stepfather to Carla's 7-year-old son. But on Valentine's Day, police discovered Carla strangled and beaten to death in her bed. Police captured Perlman later near Manchester. According to police, he confessed to killing his wife during an argument about a child abuse charge Perlman is facing in connection with Carla's son. Prosecutors want to try that case first, hinting at their strategy for Perlman's murder trial.
It would also be an aggravating circumstance, or could be, if the state decides that this is a capital death penalty case.
He's wanting to, for strategic purposes, set up an aggravator. That's what he just said on the record here today. I want to try this one first so I can have a potential aggravator to make this a death-eligible case.
Judge David Bragg denied the defense motion for a speedy trial. The judge ruled the state can try the child abuse charge first if they choose. The once smiling Perlman sat stone-faced after the ruling. In Murfreesboro, Joseph Pleasant, Nashville's News 2.